Thomas Truard said, "Having seen and felt the end, you have willed the means to the realization of that end." He was talking about visualization, that the images in your mind, when you consciously form images in your mind of the good that you want to experience, you program your subconscious mind, you implant that seed idea into the universe, and it begins to unfold for you. It's a very powerful tool. It's been actually used by people throughout time. And also we see Olympic athletes, executives, and others who consciously use this powerful tool. So I hope you'll join me on Sunday right here at the Unity Center of New York City, February 9th at 11 a.m. to learn about Thrive through visualization. I look forward to seeing you.